waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
This is actually one of those days where we decide to have fun, and this is the that's in Badagry. My colleagues are everywhere around us having fun. You're going to see it. I'm sure I'm going to carry along with the video, so I hope you stay tuned. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing.
I feel like I need to drop my this because if people feel
We're not a thing. I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight.
because if people
I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want but I still walk away.
I'm just loving the view. I mean, look at the heavens.
if I'm the one that's supposed to be singing to them, or if they're the ones that are supposed to be singing to them. In the course of this picnic, I figured that I kind of enjoy my own company compared to when I'm around a lot of people. This is not me saying it is bad for you to go out with people. I mean, I went out with a number of persons, but if you notice,
Yes.
I spent more time on my own and then with few people. So this is me encouraging you guys to go out. And while talking to you guys, I'm also talking to myself. I like to make my videos more about me and then about others, in the sense that when I'm watching those videos, I could also learn from my own videos. So this is me saying to myself and to many people out there, you should go out. Go out. It's not compulsory that you have to go out with someone. You could go out on your own and figure out more about yourself. You get more time to think about one thing or the other that you're trying to figure out, and you'll be fine. Surprisingly, you get to even meet people and talk and do things that even you didn't know that you can do.
Say bye bye to my hair.
Light's gonna come.
Our lovely
The birds have just begun.
stylist. You know they carry last. See fine. See all the makeup. See all the tishness.
When they wake up,
Hell.
no, do it.
God when, oh God when.
For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the lake. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have
Because I have the very best and sweet hairstylist, she decided to do extra on my hair. If you see this my hair, as you can see, the thing is not looking good. Like is chopped off. My front hair is gone, and I was just blushing that she was doing all of this. She just said, Judith, I want you to do a very fine hair. after the one that I lose. A quick story. Yes, I made another hair. You can see. But it was not looking good. My front hair was not helping matters, so we had to lose it. Yes, she was pained, but she made another, which is that. So she advised that at least I work with the little hair I still have and then treat it and watch it grow before I can make another one.
We are forever learning, one step at a time.